sentence. How long after ripping her clothes off and locking her in the house was he in the shower? How long after all that? And did he tell you that he slapped her and that?
I don't recall that, but from what I recall, he said that they already had sex in the shower because she was on her period and she wanted to have sex again. And the whole reason she was upset and wanted to leave was because she wouldn't fuck her again, apparently. But he's like, I don't want to fuck her while she's on her period. That's why they did it in the shower. Yeah, I don't know. The whole thing's crazy. But just seeing the way he, like, it's easy to get him all riled up and he's yelling at his computer. You can tell he has anger issues.
Definitely. And you know, like, when you get sentenced, so say if she did get him arrested, right? So if she went to the police, he would have admitted to the police, yeah, I locked her in the house and I ripped her clothes off, like he said to you. He would have probably said that to the police, right, as well. So when it comes to sentencing, right, so he gets acquitted of the rape, let's say, he gets found guilty of kidnap and assault. Now, when he goes for sentence in front of the judge and they bring up his previous record, right, because I don't know about over there, but over here, yeah, they wasn't allowed to show your record while you're on trial, before you go on trial. So they couldn't show your record to the jury that you'd been in trouble or for similar things before. But I think they've changed it a bit now, innit? I don't know how it is over there, right? But when he's getting sentenced, either way, they would have brought up his criminal record. And on there, he's battered his fucking wife, innit? His ex-fucking wife he's battered. So, you know what I mean? So he's got a history of this sort of stuff, innit?
Yeah, but when you go to trial, everything, all the evidence you introduce into court has to be approved by the judge. So that's all pre-trial stuff. And your attorney will argue your way so they can protect that, yeah, so that doesn't get introduced to the jury, because then that'll, make the jury biased, and they want to look at the case at hand. So if you introduce prior convictions, the juries are, they're going to become biased and like, oh, if he did that shit before, he's gonna do it again. So that's just to protect people to have a fair trial in each separate cases. But when it comes to sentencing, yeah, the judge will look at your prior convictions to see how harsh of a sentence they think the person deserves.
That's what I'm saying.